Okay, this is my week 17 update, race to 250K. Every single Monday, I invest $1,100. Investing is about buying when you're uncomfortable, when the news is bad, and your portfolio is going down. Most people only invest when it feels safe. Safety does not create wealth. Consistency does. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that 1100, my weekly performance, and of course my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control. Control gives you options. Options is what gives you that freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we could see my balance is $150,901. The reason I say I buy every week, no matter what, whether the market's up or down, is because you can never time the market. And if you try to time the market, you're going to miss out on weeks like this. I'm going to go over all my positions, my weekly buys, and the portfolio performance for this week. First, let's go over all the positions. I have DGRO, which is market value is $26,754. Then I have SCHD, market value is $59,127. Then we have SCHG, market value is $16,405. Then we have SCHX, market value is $24,039. My last position, VXUS, my international position, market value is $24,800. Okay, let's get into my weekly buys. Okay, for my weekly buys, I bought 17 shares of SCHD, 4 shares of DGRO, 8 shares of SCHX, and 3 shares of SCHG. All right, let's get into the performance of the portfolio for the week. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio performance, we could see from April 13th to April 16th, excluding net contributions, my portfolio has gained $2,734 or 1.8%. This is why you don't time the market. You'll miss weeks like this. Let's compare my portfolio to the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Russell 2000. So my portfolio has lagged pretty much all of them. The only thing my portfolio beat was the Dow Jones. I did 1.8%, the Russell did 3.3%, the S&P 3.3%, and of course the NASDAQ 5.2%. I'm fine with underperforming the market. If you noticed, you can see this is a dividend growth portfolio, not a growth portfolio. All right, let's get into the dividend income. Portfolio dividends, $3,578 or $298 per month, almost at that $300 level. Let's go over each position to see what it pays. First, we have DGRO, $544, SCHD, $2,018. Next, SCHG, $64, SCHX, $262, and VXUS, $689, which totals $3,578. The goal by the end of 2026 is to get that minimum to $6,000. All right, that's going to do it for my week 17 update. Stay tuned for week 18 to see the progress. Remember, stay disciplined and consistent, and always buy no matter what.